Hi friends, I'm Jill Keb with Healthy Facts, and we have Healthy Facts Inc., I should say, .com, and we do that great publications at your local health food store. We've got some bananas here and some frozen cherries, and this is the base for our going to be a creamy dessert, kind of like an ice cream, like a soft serve. These bananas are from the freezer, which is what you want to use, is frozen bananas. And this could be for two people. That was 4 bananas I'm using. But you can use less if you are one person. This recipe, you are going to want to let the fruit sit out of the freezer for about 10 minutes before you get started. Just so that it's not like, it just has like 10 minutes to just, take a little bit of the edge off. And then, this is probably a Vitamix required recipe, unless you have a specialty ice cream maker, because I have seen this done with a special machine with the bananas making like soft serve. Let me just put those to the ingredients in here, by the way. I'm just going to use a dash of salt. I'm going to do 1/4 of a tablespoon of vanilla and almond extract. But one of the things you can do is put some cocoa instead of, or in addition to some nice cocoa powder to kind of make this like a chocolate banana cherry dessert. And then the sweetener, we're going to do some maple syrup. You can do something else for sweetener if you like. This isn't like ultra sweet. Another thing you might do is get like a stevia drops or what have you. And then you're going to want to start the machine on high. So it's got it off, so you're turning on your high button. This is going to happen very quickly, and this is going to be a good procedure to get it done and get it done faster and easier, okay? Okay, for those of you who were with me that whole time, you know that did not take very long, maybe a minute. And there you have this lovely soft serve ice cream that is yummy. Sweet, and it's soft, and it's really like soft serve. So I encourage you. You're gonna have to eat it quickly. That's one of the keys here. And I'm gonna have to probably photograph it quickly too. I'm Jill Keb with Healthy Facts Inc. Thank you for watching. This is good and it's good for you. Have a good one.